Most Audi key fobs, especially those from 2008 to current models like the A4, A6, and Q5, use a simple slide release mechanism to access the battery. First, locate the small button or lever on the side or back of your fob. Press or slide it to disengage the internal latch. Once released, the fob case should split into two halves. You might need to gently use your fingernails or a plastic pry tool to separate the case without causing damage. This method avoids the need for more forceful prying, which can damage the case or the internal components. Remember, improper prying was shown to crack the cases. Inside the fob, you'll find a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery held in place by a small clip. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032, ensuring the positive plus side faces up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Test the functionality by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. To prevent issues, always use non-conductive tools, wear gloves, and use batteries from reputable brands to avoid corrosion. Also, be gentle when splitting the case to avoid damaging the circuit board, which will cost $200 to repair. If your Audi fob has an emergency key, handle the metal blades separately during this process.